Elite Athlete Training is dedicated to becoming Pittsburgh's premier sports training facility. Our mission is rooted in quality training and athlete development, aiming to provide male and female athletes with the resources and support they need to excel in honing their skills. Our approach goes beyond mere training. We offer a holistic athlete development model encompassing physical training, mental preparation, as well as career planning. Our approach prioritizes personalized attention. We establish strong relationships, build brand loyalty, and empower individuals to achieve their full potential in sports and beyond. Our on-site kitchen and cafe offer a variety of nutritious meals, snacks, and beverages to fuel athletes before, during, and after training sessions. The auditorium classroom is the centerpiece of our learning center, boasting a spacious layout and tiered seating to serve as a venue for educational seminars, workshops, lectures, and team meetings. The facility includes 2 regulation-size basketball courts, providing athletes with dedicated spaces for training, scrimmages, and tournaments. We provide a tennis court, as well as 3 pickleball courts featuring premium surfaces and equipment, catering to players of all skill levels and ages. Whether you're a seasoned player or a beginner looking to learn, our well-maintained courts offer the perfect setting for honing your game. Our weight training area and turf is a comprehensive space designed to enhance strength, speed, and agility. A dedicated recovery room and medical facility is included to support athletes' physical well-being. Our indoor football field provides ample space for football training, practices, and games regardless of weather conditions. The on-site dormitory with 72 beds provides convenient and comfortable accommodations for athletes traveling from out of town or participating in extended training programs.